Can you stand up, Penny? Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't you stand up. Oh, no, you don't, young lady. Are you going to stand up?
She's thinking about it.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. What are you doing? Look at you.
So big.
Oh, my gosh. Penny, come here to me. No, don't do that. Don't come here to me.
Oh,
I'm not.
this one? This
Holy cow,
one.
child.
Triangle. This one's a
That's a triangle, sweetheart. Did you teach Penny how to stand up?
Yeah.
That's amazing, Cooper.
Come on, this one's a triangle.
And then she sits down nice and slowly.
You want to give Grandma the magazine?